my 68 Mustang coupe. A little 289 in it. She got hit in the nose pretty hard on this side. A lot of it's tore off now. It's pretty soft around the firewall, torque box, and front frame rails. A couple bad spots. This one's probably bent. It's gonna get I'm thinking an entire full floor and both full fender aprons, the whole new nose, firewall possibly. I haven't dug in that far yet because the floorboards are actually gone. There's quite a mess. Oh, it won't focus in under the car. The guy had tinned the whole floor under and then fiberglassed it completely, coated it. No holes to unbolt the seats. I had to cut sections out just to get the seat bolts out. And kind of dark, but there's mouse nests, fiberglass, tin patches, screws, rivets. I've never seen such a mess. So it's all coming out. The car itself, seats are unbolted, of course, they're just laying there. But the interior and everything is very nice in this car. Headliner, everything. It runs incredible. Sounds very nice. It just took a hard hit over here. But I don't think the damage would have been that bad if that wasn't so soft. It was pretty weak. So I'm going to make some videos on this. Post them up as I go. But this is my 68 that we'll be working on. I've got a 69 over here that's pretty much done. I got to do transmission lines. They're leaking, some seals in the transmission and whatnot. But that's my 69. And I got a 66 over here that I completely restored. Right down to every bolt nut, wire harness, the whole brand new interior. And this is because this is Maisie. She's my shop buddy, right? Shop girl. But yeah, this is my 66. But yeah. So they'll be working on this winter. This is my project. Some might think it's too far gone, where it needs a whole new floor, whole new front end, but with the money I've got invested in it, to what I need to buy for it, I still think I'll be all right. They're not a highly sought after car, of course, the coupes, but I think the old girl's worth saving. My time I don't really account for. It's, I'm learning. It's a hobby. So we'll post some more.